What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching right now to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the links below in the bio for the Discord. Join the Discord. I'll be posting, behind the scenes, also bargain buys, etc. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So I've showed everyone the navy blue or the Sartho blue G-Star tracksuit, the premium core. If you haven't seen that, pause this, go watch that video. This one is a grey colorway, and again, this could be the first time you're watching this video, so I'll just repeat the information I did in the previous one. So this tracksuit, I have to say, it's called premium core, and I'll be honest, it lives up to exactly what it says, premium core. Reason being is it washes amazing. The color stays, shape doesn't go, size stays the same, everything. Provided you wash it right and you dry it right, you won't have any problems with this tracksuit. I've had the black one, washed it many times, and the color's still proper black. It's not washed out or nothing like other brands. So definitely the most reasonable or bang for your buck tracksuit out there at the moment. And I'm saying this because I've got loads of tracksuits from loads of companies. I'm not going to name them specifically, but these are definitely better than a lot of the sportswear brands, etc. And even designer brands, whatever you want to call them. So I'll just quickly show the hoodie. So it does have a little G-Star Originals raw denim patch, and that's on the back. We open it up. And yeah, we've got the Granite hoodie with the little black G raw there. Nice strings on the hoodie. The cuff is slightly different to a standard cuff. A standard cuff will be like that. This one's got like a little design to it. Very nice, doesn't really change anything. The material is very nice, soft, and lightweight, very soft, comfortable tracksuit. I absolutely love it. The side panels is the same material as the cuff, so it's like a cuff type in the middle, but it's perfect. The way it looks, the way it is, everything amazing. This one, I'll just show you the information on the tag. So true to size, if you wish to go true to size, you can. For this one itself, I wanted to go up one size, so I did. So the style is premium core HDD SWL/S. So what that means is just premium core hooded sweatshirt long sleeve, and it's got the fabric there, and the color, this color is granite, yeah, definitely granite. Then the size is XL on this, one size up, and the retail price in pounds is £75, 79.95 in euros. But I paid less, so it's even more of a bargain for me. So it was around 55 quid I paid, which that amount 10, I'll be honest. Yeah, definitely saved a bit off the retail, and I'll be honest, it is worth it, but I just don't want to pay the retail. Then we've got the matching joggers. On the camera they look slightly different shades. I believe they look one shade different. I'm not sure. I need to try it on fully, and if I like it, I'll keep it, but I love it regardless. Then we've got the G-Star Originals raw denim on the back pocket, and it's got one back pocket like jeans have back pockets, but obviously jeans have two. Then we've got that same G-Star raw logo, and again, I wanted a looser fit, so one size up on these. And then they've got that cuff, which is the same cuff as on the hoodie, so that kind of cuff that goes around like that. I've never seen a company actually change the cuff style, so I really do like that. Again, butter smooth, very nice material, very very good quality. Premium core definitely does feel quite premium. I think all in all for the tracksuit, the joggers were about 35 quid, and the hoodie was about 55 quid, let's just say. So that's about £90 I paid. £90. If you just, what I do is, if I buy a tracksuit and it's £90, I just divide it by 2, so like 45 for top, 45 for bottoms. I think that's a bargain in this day and age, because usually, you know, bottoms are minimum £65. That's the retail price on these. And then hoodie was £80, so, you know, saved a bit and got quality, bang for my buck. Very, very lovely tracksuit, I have to say. Quality's there, premium, everything amazing. I can't complain, man. I just want them to bring out some more colorways that I like. Maybe a light grey like I'm wearing, you know, or this type of grey, heather grey. But yeah, gstar, if you want to send me some stuff, man. I'll appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say about the tracksuit, to be honest. Definitely not getting paid to say this, but yeah. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other videos, all the other content. I've got loads of content up. Over 500 videos, man. You can't get bored with 500 videos, people, man. Check out every single video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the Discord. Tell me what you think below. And take care, my people.